So we're back with some more lenses from Apex Lenses. So we ended up ordering a pair of the dark blue polarized pro lenses, and the guys over at Apex was nice enough to send us some transitional ones to check out as well. So let's go to our overhead and break the case open. All right. So let's go ahead and open the first case. So these are the dark blue. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. So same stuff comes in the case, sticker and the Apex cloth bag for the glasses. Again, we went through this last time, so we'll just go through this real quick. There's my little cloth. I don't want to leave it on the table without anything. Let's move the glasses over a little bit, cloth down. Right, so we have our lenses here. So these are the dark blue. Let's go ahead and take our icy blue, which you can't see too well in this light, but hopefully you could see the difference a bit in this. It's kind of hard to see, right? Try to get it at the right angle. You could see like this is more like a light sky blue, and these are kind of more like almost like an ocean blue, if that makes any sense. But yeah, let's pop one of them out. I think what I'm going to do is just to see how dark they are side by side, I'm just going to pop one out at first and put it in, and then compare them side by side in the glasses. So let's go back to the glasses here. So like we said last time, we want this side to be the side in first. So we're going to push out on the top corner. There you go. Popped out. Okay. So we're going to put that right there. We're going to make sure we have the right side, right? Got our glasses here. We got the dark blue. We're going to put the one side in first, right? And then we're going to slowly start pushing them in around the sides. It's a little hard to see. I went in, I think after one or two tries, it goes in pretty well. Okay, so let's go back to this look. So I guess my left is the darker ones. Can't really see on the screen too much like this. You know what's interesting? They look like they have exactly the same tint to them. If I close one eye and close the other eye and go back and forth, they look like they're tinted the same, even though the darker blue's darker. It looks darker from the outside. Interesting. I thought it would be a little darker, to be honest, but I compared my regular Ray-Ban glasses to these today in the car, in the sun, and the icy lenses actually feel a tad darker than my regular Ray-Bans, and they almost feel like the tint is a little blue, which I didn't notice unless you're doing it side by side. And again, my Ray-Ban glasses I have are polarized blue lenses as well, but they didn't show that little bit of blue tint. And again, I wouldn't have noticed that little bit of blue tint unless I put the glasses on and off. So yeah, let's jump back. Let's change out that other lens. So again, we want to push out on the opposite side. This one actually feels a little tougher. There you go. Yeah, that felt like I was going to break something, but it finally came out. Okay. That was probably the most force I had to use thus far with any of these lenses. Okay, so again, if you see this, I'm putting that flat side in, and I'm slowly working around the side, and it snapped right in. All right, okay, so let's try them on one more time. So these are the dark blue Polarized Pro Apex lenses in our Oakley Meta glasses. What do you guys think? I'm going to post some images side by side at the end here so you could see them on me and tell me what you guys think. Let's go back to the overhead. So that's great. So let's tuck these on the side again for a moment, these other blue ones, and let's take a peek at the transitional lenses. In a perfect world, I would love to have a nice polarized lens. I know it's kind of a contradiction, but a polarized lens that's colored with a really good transitional that changes fast. So of course we're inside, so the transitional is going to look almost white. And I say almost white because I don't think these lenses are really, really white. I think they do still have a subtle gray tint to them. Let's go to my view again. So that's the lens. So as you can see, they're pretty clear. Okay, so once more, let's jump to the overhead and put the transitionals in. Now, I'll say I've been using the icy ones for a couple of days now, driving around. The reason I want transitionals is when it starts getting dark outside, it makes it a little hard to drive with these glasses on. And I understand that most of the transitionals don't work inside cars. I've been hearing about some transitionals that do work through glass. If you have any experience with any of them, hey, please let me know down in the comments what's working for you, because I would love to be able to use transitionals in the car on a sunny day. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop these back out. So again, we're going to go opposite side and push. Okay, that one came out nicely. And it's going to be hard to test the side by side because we don't have any natural sun coming in here, but let's put them on one at a time anyway right now. So again, that side first, and we start pushing them in, and they're in. And we'll go back to me. All right, so they are in right now. I'm trying to look. So my blue ones do feel darker, of course, because this is clear. It should be, right? Yeah, by a decent amount, I guess. Yeah, yeah, totally. All the colors and everything look like they should look. Okay, let's pop out the other lens and get back to this. Again, opposite side, push, and out. Other lens. Again, this would be awesome if they were colored transitionals that were just as good. Okay, they're in. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put these on. Let's go back to the shot of me. And these are the transitionals. What do you guys think? I guess they're pretty light right now. I have to take these outside to get them a little darker and see how they go. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. Icy blue, dark blue, or transitional? Once you do it once or twice, you get confident with changing the lenses. That first 1 or 2 times you do it might feel a little uneasy, but after that, it's pretty good. No wear and tear that I see on the glasses themselves. Yeah, again, let me know what you think. All right, till next time.